lang kami.
Mga napagod. Ang bilis talaga nung layover na yun.
Amazing race.
Dapat talaga minimum 4 hours. Hindi pala yung 2 hours. Ano kakain ba tayo? Gusto mo kumain? Nagutom ka ba? Inubos ko yung food sa plane. Except yung watermelon na nahulog. Ang sabi ng Rimowa sa Island Elephant. Saan ka? Oh. May cup holder. So, may sabitan pa dito. Oh, kamusta naman yung Rimowa mo?
Hindi na nagsasaga. Na-overwhelmed pa ako sa sobrang daming options for Japanese food. Nag-burger na muna ako. Hindi pa gumagana yung brain ko kasi wala pa talagang tulog at all.
This is how I eat a burger right now. Because I just had tooth extraction like 11 days ago. We are on the way to our hotel-ish Airbnb. Yung check-in is like 3 p.m. and it's 2:50. Like, inantay talaga namin. Gusto ko na humiga. Gusto ko na magpunas. Gusto ko na lapag tong mga bag. Dami ko nadala. Backpack. And then the maleta. Diba? This is the last leg of the amazing race. Japan! Naunahan kami ng team number 1 dun. No? Ayun sa harap. Yung may luggage. Naunahan kami. Finally! We're here. We are here. Yay! Makakahiga na ako. Makaka-power nap na kami. Kasi mamaya, darating silang mama, daddy, tsaka si Sam. Ayaw pa tayo papasukin. Okay. Now time for a hotel room tour / Airbnb. Okay. So, yung place na to is called Uchi Susukino West by Hotel Wheat. Here is the entryway. And then, yan yung lagayan ng shoes. Tapos, syempre, dapat naka-slippers. I'm wearing socks. So, here is the cabinet. And then, ito yung hallway. Ito, nagulat ako dito kasi akala ko storage. Tapos biglang parang powder room pala siya. Powder room. Well, powder room na tawag sa atin. OMG, wait. Nasaan yung ilaw? Okay, here, nasa labas. Ayan. Ito yung gusto namin. Oh, Toto. Pwede ka maghugas ng kamay. And then, ito yung if a flush na water. Ito yung hinahanap namin for the beach house eh. Kasi parang cool niya, sobrang water saving siya. Pero ang nice, hindi siya... Eh, wait lang, natuwa ako. Yung nabili lang namin for the beach house was the Toto toilet. Pero wala yung ganito. I like it. I like it. Okay, on with the tour. Off muna natin yan. Mamaya kita babalikan. So, this one, balik tayo sa hallway. And then my laundry. Tapos double sink. Hey! This mirror. And then may mga toiletries. Tapos ito, heater yata to. Yeah, see, it's a heater. Kasi hindi lang siya heater, surprisingly. Lahat kami nagulat. Mayroon pa pala siyang shower. May isa pang shower dito, but mas maliit siya compared to the other one. Pero, yan. Galing. So, 2 toilet and bath siya. And then, ito yung nice dito kasi this one is the shower and another toilet. Okay. Ayan, inon. See? Wait, ganun ulit yung sink. See? Wait lang, sobrang love ko to. Tapos, here naman is the shower. Asan yung lights? Wait. Oh, that's the hallway. I think it's this one. Big shower, ah. It's nice. And then here, my kitchenette, my ref, stove, and then another sink. Ang daming sink, no? Tapos, sliding door. And then, here's the sala. Sorry, makalat na siya. Ayan, may TV, and then dining. Ito na yung beds. Ayan. So, 2 bunk beds, isang may pull out. That's it, really. Medyo weird lang dito is, ditong area na to, ang dilim. Like, hindi siya mukhang madilim dito sa video. Pero, yan lang yung light niya. Yan, yung tatlong light na yan. Wala siyang white light and it's yellow light. Although dito sa bedroom, maliwanag siya. Pero kasi mayroong window doon, so sobrang liwanag. Kaya okay yung light dito. Babalik kami later sa airport, I think, para sunduin sila mama. So, another rapid transit na naman yun. Ang mahal ng train, ha? Pero, of course, as usual, sobrang efficient. May space naman for luggage. Pero kasi dalawa pa lang yan. So, pagka may tatlong luggage pa later, I don't know, maybe I'll show it to you guys.
Kaya pa ba?
They're here.
Here. Walking! Ang lamig! Ang lamig! It's 15 degrees, I think. So awesome. 7 minutes pa na lakad. Ang lamig! Winter na to eh. Hindi naman to summer eh. Sino ba nagsabing summer to?
Best na yan.
Sure ba? Sure talaga kayo? Lawson Hall. Lawson Hall. This one. And then I got seafood, noodles, chips, and water. And chocolate. Day 2?
Officially
One.
day 1.
Officially day 1.
But it's day 2 already.
Okay. Let's go, you guys.
She's blue on blue today.
Yes. This is my OOTD. It's all blue. Ayan. It's blue. Bala na akong lamigin mamaya. It's already 2 p.m. and hindi pa kami kumakain ng lunch. So, we're now walking to Ichiran. Na malapit lang dun sa pinagsistayan namin. And sobrang nice ng weather. Ayun o, like, may araw. Tapos ang lamig. I mean, sakto lang yung hangin. Like, hindi ko pagpapawisan. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Parang bahay nila Bridgerton. Sobrang ganda ng flowers. See? Tapos ayan o. Ang ganda. Sapporo TV Tower. Ito pa. Sobrang colorful. Eating corn. Sa kanya yung dalawa. I got the melon ice cream. So good.
Corn.
Oh, corn ice cream. She's looking for shoes to buy. Kasi yan lang yung dala niyang sapatos dito. Walking back. Oh. Walking distance Family Mart from our Airbnb. Day 2. Going to Royce Town Station. Ayan. Ah, it's so cute. We're now inside the bus. Going to the factory. Pizza. Coffee.
Coke lang.
Coffee.
snacks.
Oh, sarap.
Snacks. Bango, sarap.
Sarap din. Yes.
Bango. Sarap. Ano? Sarap. Oh my God. Ang sarap. Sobrang sarap. Overload. Kumuha na lang ako ng coffee dito sa store. I got this one.
Okay, safe.
Oh, oh, oh. Bali! Oo, yun nga rin hindi ko nakita eh. Oh no. Balik na. Oh. Ito yung parang puro games. So fun. Oh, oh. Wow. Ito yung mga packaging ng mga chocolates before. Sobrang nice. Ang ganda ko. Dami. 7 for chocolate workshop. Chocolate making. Oh yeah. Okay, pala tayo. Yeah, green square. Bye, chocolate. While waiting for the chocolate, yan, pili ka dyan ng design, and then do it yourself. Same kami lahat. This is my chocolate. Wow! Yay! Yay! More pizza. Alam niyo guys, yung hinahanap ko is mint chocolate. Sobrang favorite ko yung mint chocolate. Pero parang wala. Come on, puro matcha yung color green. Almond chocolate. No, wala silang mint. Pistachio crunch. This one is pistachio crunch. Pistachio. Oh, it's all pistachio. No. Parang hindi yata talaga popular ang mint chocolate. Baka ako lang yung may gusto nun. Ito lahat matcha. Oh, Sammit's all matcha. Oh gosh. Her and her matcha. The tour is over. Of course, pizza. Oh, wala. Mamaya, biling ko. Yeah, the pizza again because it's so good. And hindi na kami babalik dito, so might as well eat it again. So good. Get this. Ganda naman. Ganda. Sarap ng hangin. Back at the hostel. Hostel pala tawag dito. Yun yung sa sa wifi. And we're just gonna take a break and then we're gonna go back to Sapporo Station. Susukino. O basta dun. Saan yung Nika thing na billboard. So I'm gonna try this first. Actually, na-try ko na siya before pero hindi ko na maalala yung lasa. So, wala kaming lunch. Yung kinain namin yung 2 pizza bread lang. Tapos kanina before leaving, tinapay lang ako. So wala pa kaming real meal for today. Ooh, yum. It's good. Sweet and salty. Kumuha wala nang energy. Hindi pa ako makain. Ito yung nabili ko na chips sa Family Mart. Ito. Kailangan ko to balikan. Cheese corn puffs. Kalasa niya yung Planters na cheese balls na binibili namin sa duty free. Dati. Oh. Ay, wala na yun eh. Face off na yata yun. Sarado na yung duty free, sarado na yung Planters, sarado. Lahat sarado. Okay, this is so good. Buy this. Going back to Susukino for dinner. Kinari steak, soup, salad, and something that yum. And rice. Starbucks for dessert.
Very Pinoy.
Lamig! Our favorite after Family Mart is Seiko Mart. Yes. My family.